Hello everyone, hope you all are having good day today. I would like to thank everyone for attending the various sessions presented by other speakers in this series of forum. The topic for this forum session is Admer, a multi-purpose adhesive resin. Before moving towards this session, let me give you a short introduction about myself. I am Rohit Shrikande, working for Technical Services and Business Development Activities in Mobility and Industrial Solution Division. My educational background includes Masters and Bachelors in Polymer Technology with more than 4 years of industrial as well as academic experience. I like watching sci-fi dramas. I love exploring new places, which makes me try new things in work life. Let me give you quickly agenda for this session. I will introduce you first on Admer and then global presence of Admer along with compliance it follows. Later, I will deep dive into different applications of Admer followed by a brief summary of this session. About Admer, it is one of the classic product of Mitsui chemical. It is polyolefin adhesive resin having main chain of polyethylene and polypropylene. It contains side grafting of maleic anhydride functionality, which provides bonding to different materials by thermal reactions. Admer shows different characteristics, which includes its broad material compatibility, durable adhesion, polyolefin-like properties, and easy processing method. It gives adhesion to different substrates ranging from polyethylene, polypropylene to nylon, aluminum, and to barrier material like EVH and MX nylon, urethane as well, and many polar substrates as well. Admer includes different series of grades that provides required adhesion with mentioned polar substrates. Well, we do have certain grades that provide bonding engineering plastics like polyketone, PPS like materials. If we talk about its supply, Admer has its presence globally, with production available in America, Europe, Asia, at China, Thailand and Japan. India regions enjoy supply from all these locations depending on requirement by customer, majorly fulfilled by Thailand production site. Admer complies with many global regulations, which nowadays specific requirement in packaging sustainability trend. It fulfills European Union, US food regulation along with China, GB, Japan MHLW and also for Mercosur region of South America. Certain specific declaration can be provided based on specific requirement. Admer aligns with global recycling regulation of CFLEX in design for circular economy, where it contributes for recyclable packaging structures. Also, certain Admer grades are ISSC certified, which guarantee a fixed biomass content inside the polymer value chain. Now let's move towards the application details. Well, Admer have many applications which I will cover in 4 major areas. Flexible packaging for BOPP, CPP, blown films. Rigid packaging for multi-layer bottles and sheets. Automotive in multi-layer plastic fuel tank and coolant tubes. Also in industrial areas for multi-layer pipes. In flexible packaging, there is certain barrier requirement for food products, which is generally fulfilled by aluminum foil or polyester based laminate structure. But they are hardly recyclable. So to make it recyclable, there is acceptance of monomaterial structure, be it a polyethylene or polypropylene. Admer complete this requirement. It helps to replace these traditional structures. Here, I am happy to say that monomaterial laminates using Admer for high barrier film has already been commercialized in market. Mitsui provides solution for ultra high barrier BOPP and in inline coating BOPP film solution to meet these recyclable structure requirements. We will further learn how Admer contributes for such recyclable structures. Ultra high barrier BOPP film. Mitsui Chemical have optimum solution to cater high barrier like 0.1, 0.1 OTR and WVTR values requirement, which is excellent solution for replacement of metallized PET and aluminum foil based film structures. As can be seen in the slides, Admer provide excellent adhesion between oxygen barrier, EVH resin and PP resin, which helps to complete high barrier structures and enables 3-ply to 2-ply laminate conversion. This results in reducing virgin plastic consumption. Inline coating BOPP film. This is for high barrier requirement and does not use EVH in its structure. Here, Admer provides excellent adhesion between PP layer and tackle, which is water-based polyurethane oxygen barrier coating. Admer sustains high stretching and gives excellent adhesion with coating during inline coating process. This film is suitable for barrier requirements in products like cookies flow wrap and chips pillow pouch. Similar to BOPP, Admer also used for asymmetrical CPP barrier film, where it provides excellent adhesion to polyamide and EVH based oxygen barrier resin. Admer provides balance between processability and adhesion, resulting in good appearance with cast process. Admer is also well commercialized for blown film applications. Due to stiffer polyethylene based Admer grades, it sustains stretching in MDO direction and hence contributes to better mechanical and optical properties in final film. Admer is well established for EVH based MDO PE film. Certain concentrate grades are also available as per the requirement. Now we will see how Admer contributes to PP monomaterial structure in terms of lamination. Our specially designed PP based Admer can be used in extrusion lamination of two PP films between printed BOPP and barrier CPP or BOPP films as shown in this screen slide. Here, Admer gives high metal adhesion with metallized film and can be used at wider processing window. It is suitable for ABA or AB based machine configuration. Now from flexibles, we will move to rigid packaging applications of Admer. Here, Admer is well established for multilayer cast sheet. It is useful as tie resin between EVH or nylon in structures. It gives excellent interlayer adhesion while extrusion and sustained stretching while thermoforming. It is suitable for deep drawn trays and also sustain high retort temperature process. Further, Admer is being used for plastic barrier lamitubes and barrier bottle application. Here, again I am happy to say that Admer is popular among agrochemical bottle manufacturers in India due to specific grades which provides interlayer adhesion even at stringent blowing pressures. Well, it was lot on packaging side. Let's move to different application, that is in automotive and industrial. In automotive, Admer is useful as bonding resin in multi-layer coolant tube, then be it a 3-layer or 2 layers. Globally, Admer is well adapted for such coolant tube to provide bonding between polyamide and polypropylene. Also, it is suitable for TPV material bonding as well. It sustains high temperature and pressure resistance, even give enhanced protection against low temperature conditions and coolant liquids. These structures are highly effective in electric vehicle for thermal management needs to meet cost-effective lightweight aspects. Admer is also established as proven tie resin for multi-layer plastic fuel tank. This tank, which are made using HDPE and EVH based material, our specific OEM approved grades provide excellent interlayer adhesion and gives easy processability to produce such blown structures. At last, I want to share that Admer is also accepted for industrial multilayer pipes. It is used for cross-link polyethylene or rest temperature polyethylene pipes. Here, Admer gives adhesion with EVH or aluminium, being used for functional requirements. It is useful for underwall, floor heating cooling pipe and in sanitary pipes. Admer advantage lies in sustaining high pressure, long aging temperature conditions. Well, I understand it takes a lot to grasp all this information, so I want to summarize our session quickly for you. We saw Admer applicability for different bonding material, due to which it promotes sustainable recycling structures in packaging segment, for example in ultra high barrier BOPP, inline coating BOPP solutions. Admer follows many regulatory compliances for different regions, be it food contacts or REACH regulations. Its properties advantage due to its presence of different grades, it is suitable for retort application, solvent resistance, high metal adhesion, high speed processing. Also, it is well accepted for automotive and industrial applications, like as mentioned in coolant tube, fuel tanks and in multilayer pipes. So now we have finished this session on Admer product. Thanks a lot for attending to this session. I believe this session has provided you with new insights. Still, if you have queries in mind or looking for something to develop new solutions with Admer, feel free to contact me. Contact details is mentioned here on screen.